I'm learning Django, you're learning Django, let's learn together. My quick tip today, keep a Django journal. What do I mean by that? Anytime you break something and fix it, write it down. Anytime you learn something new, write it down. Anytime you create an account somewhere online, write it down. And anytime you configure a new Django site, write everything down. And of course, I don't mean physically write it down, I mean digitally. My app of choice is called Drafts for Mac. It's a great way to capture data and subsequently tag it and search for it. There are lots of great apps for taking notes on all different platforms.
Evernote, Notion, Apple's Notes app, even Google Docs, if you want to give them all your information. So here I am in Drafts. I've found myself needing to look up this Postgres URL string multiple times. I'll create a new note, paste the string, add any notes or other information I might search for, and tag it. I'll add Postgres, Django, DigitalOcean. Now I've got it for later quick reference. Let's look at my hashtags to give you some more ideas. The DigitalOcean tag has my working Nginx and gUnicorn configurations for quickly creating new Django droplets, plus things like API keys and information on my DigitalOcean Spaces storage. The Django hashtag has some useful tips for things I've broken in the past, plus some code snippets I always forget. Here's a customized script I run in the Django shell when I need to find and replace things in the database. Even the script for this video is in here.
So keep everything and keep it organized. There's no reason not to. Let your computer do the work for you. It's hard to remember all this stuff, and it kills productivity to have to look it up every single time. So keep your Django journal. Thanks for watching. What are your favorite note-keeping apps on your platform? Leave it in the comments. And you know the drill, be sure to like and subscribe to support the channel. And check out any links I mentioned in the description. Be sure to say hi in the comments.